Hello friends, me Abdullah from Imal Learning Studio. Hope you have a nice day and make some awesome. Today in our second class, we will design some example posts based on muted color, which I told you that the trend colors are muted colors. Let's start. Now take new document, take any size, create document. First of all, take new layer and take muted color and fill the color. Here we go to filters and noise, add some noise here about 5 to 7. Okay, now we will take our background images and put here, adjust the size. Okay, double click on this layer and give it drop shadow, add 55 opacity, distance is 2 and size is 30 to 40 is enough. Now take the watery plant PNG image. You can draw it yourself or take it from Google and adjust it. Okay, now add some text. Here we have to use bold font. Add text. I use Helvetica font and here bold. I told you that we use bold fonts. Color is black. If your distance between the text is much, you can adjust it by pressing Ctrl T and adjust the size. Okay. Now bigger the text size. Now place it behind the image. Okay. You are watching that black color is not looking good because we use muted colors in this poster, so we change the text color. Some like this. Okay. Now it looks better. Now we take our logo and place here and place it here. Change the color of the logo. This with the text color it look better. Yes. Okay. Now adjust the size by clicking shift so that the dimension does not change. Okay. It's become better. Now one thing, we add call to action button. Add text. Now I added call to action button. The next step we do, adjust the size little bit small by pressing shift so that the dimension does not change. Adjust it. Okay. Here our design is completed. You have to keep it in mind that these designs will be looking good if you use muted color with big bold fonts. Draaz used muted colors in its recently post. They used pink color, light pink color. You can see that this is muted colors and the shapes like these are used. This become trend. You have an idea from this post that it become trend. Now I see you the design that I made in the previous class. In this design, I also explain the colors and composition. Here you can see that the brand color is red and here I use red color in the main word empowering and here I use in button and I made this circle around the girl. Now I am giving you some assignment. You have to design some posts based on muted colors. I will give you feedback on your designs. You have to share them on group. Now moving towards another design including geometrical shapes. Create new document. Now take new layer and Ellipse tool, make circle by shifting, press shifting. Here I also use muted color and place it here. Now take your picture and put over it. Now create clip mask by pressing Alt. Now right click and duplicate the layer and release the clip mask. Here press Ctrl when the sphere and then click the ellipse tool. Now create clip mask and here we use take brush and then remove from here. Press the hard, take a hard brush and remove from here. Increase the size. Now one thing, fill the color, background color, take the color, muted color. Okay, and fill it. Now take your logo and place it here. Change the color. Okay, this shape is not looking good. Unhide it. Now add some text. And adjust it. Press Ctrl A and Ctrl T. The distance between them are too much. Adjust it. Okay, close it. Now this is not looking good. Add some background. Take rectangle and okay, leave it black and place it behind. Okay. Press Ctrl J to copy it and place it here and increase the size. Okay. Change the colors of rectangle to white because it is not looking too good. Okay, and adjust it. Adjust the triangles also. Now add call to action button here. I made it and I place it here. Okay, adjust it. Okay, here our design complete. Here our second lecture is finished. In the next lecture we will learn how to create book cover design. Hope for best.